Secret sin has a way of exposing people. It has a way of coming out. You might hide it in the north, east, west, but it will pop out in the south. When secret sin is not dealt with, it will make you a public show. Sin has stripped many people of their dignity and their glow. They had chances to change privately, but they didn't. So they were exposed publicly. Humiliated, embarrassed, sin made them look very silly. How sad, this was a man of integrity. How sad, this was a man of dignity. But his secret life has been exposed. What a shame, what a pity. God is merciful and gracious. He will cover your back and give you chances to get back on track. But if you deliberately keep on sinning, you're giving the enemy license to attack. Sin breaks the edge of protection, leaving you open to the enemy's arrow. It may not pierce you today, but it may choke you tomorrow. When we meet on Thursday prayer, like today, we open up to each other. This is my weakness, this is my sickness. Pray for me, brother. I rather open up on Zoom where other men can relate. Before my case reaches the courtroom, by then it's too late. I rather confess my sin and ask for accountability. The shame and pain might be multiplied if the judge finds me guilty. I rather hand myself into my brothers and tell them the crime and the time. Bro, pray for me, support me, help me. I don't want to keep crossing this line. When you share your secret struggles with a trusted person, it loses its power. But if you hide it, it will expose you one day. And you may never know the day or the hour. This Christian life, this purity way is not supposed to be lived alone. I know you're a big man and you're grown, but you don't have to do this on your own. In our meetings, whether you're a big man or a small man, everyone drops their titles at the door. Richer, poorer, younger, older. We all humble ourselves on the floor, looking up to Jesus for the solution and the plan. He's our help. He's our role model. No other man. The struggles you are facing, bro, is not so unique to you. Other guys have gone through it and overcome, and you can overcome too. See you tonight, guys. Have a great day ahead.